Hi everyone and welcome to NechEmpire, and in this short video tutorial I will teach you a simple trick I use to improve the look of my photos in Canva. And when I said simple, I really meant it. So let's start by uploading a photo you want to improve a little bit. For this video I will use an image of a beach. As you see, this is a nice photo of colorful late evening on a beach, but we can make it even better. Just select the photo, then click on the Edit Image option in the editing bar above it. Once you've done it, you should see a left sidebar with multiple options to edit the image. However, we only need the Adjust feature. Click on it, and you should see multiple options to change the photo's appearance. While you can play with any slider, I like to focus on the texture section. So scroll down until you find it. And here, there are editing options you should care about. I'm talking about sharpness and clarity. Let's start with clarity, as this is a slider you should adjust the most. While you can move the slider up to 100, don't overdo it. Aim for a value of 40 or 60. I'm going to use the 50 as a sweet spot. Do you see the change? The sea and clouds in the photo are now slightly improved. To make the photo even more interesting, move the sharpness slider to around 20 or 30. Now, compare the newly improved photo with the old one. I see a drastic change in clarity in the new photo. To demonstrate the trick on another photo, let's use this one. And again, let's go to the Edit section and experiment with the clarity and sharpness settings. When I compare both photos, the old one and the improved one, side by side, I notice a significant improvement in the new photo. As you see, just playing with two settings in the Adjust section can improve a photo in Canva. So, I hope you found this simple and quick tutorial helpful, and if you want, give the video thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more videos about Canva and graphic design.